Hi, Craig Trulia with Professional Tool and Equipment News. Here's Wrenchin Roger. I'm with Josh at Ingersoll Rand to talk about the IQ V12 power tool line that just won an award by Popular Mechanics. How are we doing today?
We're doing great, Roger. Thanks for coming out.
So, what's the big deal that you get awards from big magazines? That's what I want to know.
All right, well, we just launched the IQ V12 series tools, and we're really proud of them. And receiving the Popular Mechanics Award here at SEMA is really a testimony to how different we are, how we differentiate our products, and how we're making them just for the vehicle service mechanic, industrial MRO customers.
So, battery life is a 2-hour amp-hour battery.
Yes.
Lithium-ion.
Yes.
Because this is where it all starts. So, what's special about your battery?
Right. It does start with the battery. So, batteries aren't new to Ingersoll Rand. We're on our third generation of battery technologies. Lithium-ion's not new either. We were one of the first companies to do lithium-ion on cordless power tools for the garage market back in 2006. This has a state-of-the-art cell, so it's a 2 amp-hour cell. So we have a patent-pending design on the buttons. The buttons squeeze from the side. Yep, very easy. So my hands are kind of small and delicate. Most of our garage customers, they have really big hands, greasy hands, or with gloves. They're grabbing the side of these things and they're pulling off, right? We don't want them to play around with flimsy little buttons. These are heavy-duty buttons. They also they have an overmold on the button, so it provides a feature on some of our products, like the pistol grip tools. So the impacts, the drill drive, and the screwdriver. They have a 3-point system for overmold. So when you're laying this on a car hood or your toolbox, you can lay it flat and it picks up the rubber on the button and the 2 points on the housing, and it keeps it flat and stable.
If there were a technician that was interested in the IQ V12 line, all these different offerings, what highlights would you say they should know?
So we offer a couple different versions of anvils for sockets, being a 1/4-inch square drive, 3/8 square drive, and it's your choice. We'll find a lot of these customers have the same tool, different anvils, to do different jobs with different sockets.
I noticed it's got a little LED in it to light up what you're working on.
Absolutely.
And it points up.
Yes, yeah, it points right towards the workpiece. So every tool, including the ratchet, they all have an LED. Points down to where the actual work's getting used. So all the 12-volt, all the IQV series tools have an LED. Great performance by all the products for sure. The ratchets are 30 foot-pounds, so that's consistent with a 1/4-inch air ratchet. So same power and convenience in the cordless package. 100 foot-pounds of torque on our impacts. That's a very high torque for this size tool. So it's going to do all the jobs that it needs to do plus some more. Really push the limits with torque at Ingersoll Rand. We look for performance, we look for durability, and we look for ergonomics. The IQ V12 series really embodies access. It's all about having the tools being as small as possible. We actually have the shortest screwdriver. One way we've done that is we've recessed this 1/4-inch quick change bit inside the tool. We don't need to have it outside. It's not an impact mechanism, so it doesn't beat around, but we're able to put that inside, keep it secure, and able to get that tool length down so small that you can stick this in places other tools can't go. So accessibility, huge for Ingersoll Rand with the IQ V12 series. Charger charges about an hour, which is convenient for most of our customers because we designed the battery specifically in the tools, really optimize the tools for the battery so they have long run time. One's a USB port, so once you plugged in your charger to the wall, you can use the USB port to charge your iPhone, your iPad, and nowadays everybody's got a smartphone, everybody's got something to charge. Most of these guys are looking up on how-to videos or something at work, want to be able to charge their phone.
Or music, which is important in the shop.
Or play music from your iPhone is important in the shop. Excellent point. But all that's coming out of the USB. I'm glad you mentioned the task light. I think we need to get the word out on this one. We actually built this specifically for vehicle service customers originally. Our industrial design group and our engineering group goes out and talks to customers, and we see how people use the products. And we saw people using task lights where they were trying to lay them flat underneath the lift, and the task lights are rolling around. So we actually developed this so you could sit the battery on the ground and shine the light right up underneath of a lift. So it's shining up, illuminating under chassis work that a customer's doing. So it's specifically for him. It's 180 lumens, and in the 12-volt system, this is going to run for 6.5 hours.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to get plenty of work done during the day. When you're coming to Ingersoll Rand, we have the full solution. So we've got your drills, your screwdrivers, your impacts of all different anvil options, your ratchet. The 12-volt ratchet comes in 2 different anvil configuration, the 1/4-inch and the 3/8, whichever you prefer. And it's really all about accessibility. So our products are designed for the vehicle service customer in mind, but specifically so you can get them into tight places. Access is real key for you. We designed the tools for that.
Well, thank you so much, Josh, for letting us know about all these tools. And by all means, check out Ingersoll Rand's IQ V12 series in Popular Mechanics. Wrenchin Roger signing out.
Thanks, Roger.